Welcome to the demonstration video on integrating Cisco ThousandEyes with Cisco Catalyst Center. In this video, you will learn how to use the Cisco Catalyst Center to orchestrate the deployment of ThousandEyes agents on your Catalyst switches. This capability enables you to deploy multiple agents across your switching infrastructure with only a few clicks. Installing Cisco ThousandEyes agents across your infrastructure helps you close the end-to-end visibility gap. You can place agents directly on Cisco switches to position them close to the end users in your network and to allow monitoring of cloud services, SaaS applications, or branch-to-branch connectivity from an end-to-end perspective. By integrating Cisco ThousandEyes with Cisco Catalyst Center, you can automate the deployment of these agents on your switches and remove the need for manual provisioning and configuration. Before you begin the integration, ensure that you have met all the prerequisites. Integration with ThousandEyes has been supported in Catalyst Center for several years. All currently supported releases with active software maintenance include this capability. However, in this demonstration, you will focus on integration with the Catalyst Center version 3.1. Agent deployment is supported on Catalyst 9300, Catalyst 9400 series, and Cisco 9350 smart switches. For exact models and required software versions, always refer to the ThousandEyes documentation. From a licensing perspective, the switch must have an Advantage subscription to host applications such as the ThousandEyes agent. Catalyst Center uses the HTTPS server on the switch to transfer agent software. Ensure that the HTTPS server is enabled on the switch and that HTTPS credentials are known to Catalyst Center. Last but not least, the deployed agent must be able to connect to the ThousandEyes backend servers over the Internet from the VLAN where the agent is installed. Once logged into Catalyst Center, navigate to Provision, Service Catalog. Locate the Application Hosting app and click it. Recent versions of Catalyst Center automatically download the ThousandEyes software within the first few hours of operation. However, if Catalyst Center does not have internet connectivity, or if proxy settings are missing, you may need to manually upload the agent software. In such a scenario, select Add App and add the software manually. To obtain the software, log in to the ThousandEyes portal. Navigate to Network and App Synthetics, Agent Settings. Click Add New Enterprise Agent. Then choose Cisco Devices, Catalyst Switching. Download the agent software if required. Return to Catalyst Center and click Add App. Click the downloaded software and then click Upload. Click the application. Initiate the installation workflow by clicking Install. As a first step, you will need to provide your ThousandEyes credentials. This will initiate the integration and automatically exchange needed parameters like the account group token. Click Log In. Click Verify, followed by specifying your Cisco ThousandEyes username. Click Log In and enter your credentials. Click Next, Review Authorization Actions, and click Confirm. Once the ThousandEyes application is successfully connected to the Catalyst Center, select the appropriate account group into which you wish to deploy your new agents. Click Next. Under the second step, you can optionally choose one or more relevant test templates to quickly define a test for most popular applications. Choose Microsoft 365, for example, and click Next. As part of the test template, you need to specify a relevant subdomain which will most likely reflect the name of your organization. In this example, use cisco.sharepoint.com. You can fine-tune a test interval and optionally exclude any individual suggested tests that are not relevant for your organization. Then, click Next. In this step, you need to choose one or more buildings, which include supported switches for agent deployment. Expand the location hierarchy and choose accordingly. Click Next. From the list of included switches, you will be able to choose only those that have successfully passed the readiness check. If your desired switch is marked with No in the readiness column, you can click on Details to investigate the results of a readiness check. For the selected switch, you need to configure applicable interfaces and VLAN configuration. Agents deployed on a Catalyst switch support up to 8 different interfaces, but in this example, you can remove additional interfaces and just keep a single one. Set VLAN in the drop-down list to users. For agent addressing, you can use the default dynamic assignment, which relies on DHCP to assign an IP address, or choose static and manually specify interface parameters such as IP address, default gateway, and DNS. Since the selected VLAN named Users supports DHCP for dynamic addressing of end hosts, you can keep the dynamic option selected. Click Next. Review the deployment configuration and then click Complete Setup. Here you can monitor the deployment task status. Once completed successfully, you can navigate to Provision, Service Catalog, Application Hosting, ThousandEyes application, and click Manage to perform Day 2 operations. Here you can start, stop, or uninstall the deployed agent. Finally, switch back to the ThousandEyes portal to confirm the agent registration. A new agent entry should appear. Click it to view details and confirm that it is running on a Catalyst 9300 series switch. Now that you have learned how to integrate Cisco ThousandEyes with Cisco Catalyst Center, you can use this integration to quickly deploy enterprise agents across your switching infrastructure. This enables you to run ThousandEyes tests close to the end user, increasing end-to-end visibility into application availability and user experience. Thank you for watching.